Good morning, Don Lane, Fraser Valley News, your morning news update for this Thursday, April the 29th. And a lot of things on the go today out in Mission. Death of a suspect who was in police custody and then released. IIO is now seeing if there was anything wrong in procedure in that case. Legislation for paid leave to go get your COVID shot during work, 3 hours. It is now law, very similar to the law of you are allowed a number of hours to go and go to vote during an election. Pretty much the same principle. Details are up on FVN, FraserValleyNewsNetwork.com. The entire Fraser Health region, not just the Fraser Valley, Fraser Health now has an overdose alert. Everything from fentanyl to benzodrine to you name it. It is by no means not a coincidence not such a coincidence rather, that over the past week we've had disability checks go up, as well as welfare checks, pension checks. There is a sad correlation with that, but the bottom line is people are still dying. We are expecting in the next day or so BC Coroner and their monthly report for overdose deaths from illegal drugs, and that would be for the month of March. They're always 30 days behind. So we are expecting that probably sometime today, to be honest with you. Dan Coulter, Chilliwack MLA, praising a new BC accessibility legislation that is now before the House, the legislature rather, in Victoria. And if approved, there will be some major improvements to accessibility and the rules to basically help out people. And for those who don't know, Dan Coulter is confined to a wheelchair, so he knows from where he speaks. Todd Richard, country artist from Harrison, getting a lot of radio airplay across the country for Green and Blue, his tribute to frontline workers when it comes to COVID, amongst other things. Todd started something very cool about a week ago, and outside of Sundays, every night he is out somewhere performing his song. And on Wednesday night, he was in front of Chilliwack General Hospital. FVN and Chill TV caught up with him. We have the video up on FVN. And basically, a tip of the hat. Plus, and we talked about it in the interview that is up on FVN, what happened to banging of the pots and pans at 7 o'clock? Todd is doing this every night around the Fraser Valley. Where else? And at 7 o'clock. There's something we should know about. Let us know. FVN@shaw.ca. FVN@shaw.ca. Have yourself a great day. Don Lane, Fraser Valley News.